Good morning, good afternoon, good evening, everyone. I'm Tico. Welcome back to this weather up forecast. We're gonna have to deal with some with severe weather, flooding, and also a new tropical system that could have impacts to Florida. First, we're gonna start off with the regional view, as usual, as we always go in the beginning of the video. You can see you have a low pressure system right here. I think this may be the remnants of Idalia. Again, no need to worry about her. We're done with her. But we have some thunderstorm in the chance. Day 1, they just updated this. We have a slight risk of severe thunderstorms that is now in effect. Day 2, the storms start moving to the northeast. But this is still a marginal risk. Then on Tuesday, the storm just starts to move into Iowa, parts of Minnesota, parts of Wisconsin. Could also get impacted. Let's look at the NAM models. Timing it out, 8 o'clock. Again, the heaviest most of the thunderstorms are going to be up here to the north. So areas like Salt Lake City, everywhere around Salt Lake City, like especially Salt Lake City West, you're going to be most impacted. But also, we're gonna have to deal with some thunderstorms. Also, we're gonna have to deal with some flooding again. Let's look at the WPC. Currently, you have a slight risk, which is just a 2 out of 4. You can see that highlighted in yellow. That's a 1 or 2. Then we have a 1. And then we have a 1 currently for parts of Florida, Mississippi, parts of Alabama, and parts of eastern Louisiana. Then this starts to move northeast on the day 2 outlook. Let's look at that right now. Starts to move northeast, so we have another slight risk of heavy flooding. You're going to have to stay alert. We've had flooding all across Nevada, also parts of Colorado. Or, no, just for Nevada and parts of California, they have had flash flood warnings with considerable tags. Lots of them. I think there is some currently right now. No, there is not. Radar's looking dry. But don't be surprised if you get a flash flood warning in effect for your area. Then day 3, it starts to ramp down. We just have a 1. For parts of northern Iowa, parts of western Wisconsin, and also parts of Michigan, like close to Mackinac City. That's so we're gonna have to be watching that. As well, let's get back to this other model and do the precip, how much precip could fall. Areas could get around an inch to around 2 to 3 inches. Like in the heavier spots, you could get 2 to 3 inches of rain. So we're going to be concerned about that. Let's get to the tropics. Currently, that right there that we're going to have to be concerned of. This has a 40% chance of forming into a storm. It may have some impacts to parts of Florida. Not surprised if it does, but it could have some impacts to Florida. Let's get over to, this is Gert. Gert was a weird storm. It started to go up, it died, then it brought itself back to life. So that was very unusual, but it's anyway going to start dying out. Probably gonna fizzle out at around on Monday, possibly. Then let's get to Katia, which didn't do the same thing as Gertz. It's just gonna do one last line, like right there. Then it's gonna die out by around 6 p.m. on Tuesday. Let's get to the specific on this one. Let's get to the specifics of the 40%. This could move to the northwest. I'm not surprised if it goes over some mainland. Thank you for watching this weather update. Have a fantastic day.